am so excited today to tell you all about our family unit studies. If you're like me, you probably got a bit tired of trying to manage all the different ages and all the different kids within your household. These family unit studies make it so easy. You can take one simple activity and do it with kids of all ages, and the learning is so nice and deep. Let me tell you about these family unit studies. Each unit study has one subject, so you might choose the weather unit study. Inside that unit study are 10 topics relating to that subject. Each topic includes the same information. You'll find an amazing hands-on activity using materials you already have at home, a curated YouTube video so you guys can snuggle in together, enjoy a video about that theme. You'll have a book suggestion to help you make sure your children are in a literacy-rich environment. There's an interesting fact, a discussion question, and even a math or literacy enrichment question. By doing it this way, you can cover the whole subject in 10 days, or you can cover the whole subject in 20 days. Perhaps you do the research part of the topic on day 1 and dive into the hands-on learning on day 2. Do whatever works for your family. Perhaps you have unit study Fridays, or perhaps you decide to do a unit study over the March break. Whether you're homeschooling temporarily, home learning, homeschooling for the long haul, or it's a spring break, these unit studies are a great way to get deep learning and make sure your little ones are set up for success. Bring the fun back to your homeschool with family unit studies.